Is your Nintendo Switch refusing to play nice with your Microsd card? Don't chuck your Switch across the room just yet, because we're about to troubleshoot that storage snafu together. First, power down your Nintendo Switch completely, then carefully remove the Microsd card from its slot on the back of the console, usually found under the kickstand. Make sure to handle it gently, avoiding any static electricity. Give the Microsd card a close visual inspection. Look for any physical damage, like cracks, bends, or debris on the gold contacts. If it looks damaged, it might be time for a replacement. Next, insert the Microsd card into your computer using an adapter. If needed, download and install the official SD card formatter software. A quick Google search will lead you to it. This tool will properly format the card, ensuring compatibility with your Switch. Open the SD card formatter, select your Microsd card drive, and choose the quick format option. Press format and wait for the process to complete. This will erase all data on the card, so make sure you've backed up anything important. Safely eject the Microsd card from your computer and reinsert it into your Nintendo Switch. Power on the console and check if the card is now recognized. If it is, congratulations, you've conquered the Microsd card gremlins. If the problem persists, it's time to check compatibility. Not all Microsd cards are created equal. Visit the official Nintendo support website to find a list of recommended and compatible cards. Make sure your card meets the speed and storage requirements for the Switch. Finally, navigate to System Settings on your Nintendo Switch, then to System, and finally Formatting Options. Try formatting the Microsd card from within the Switch itself. If none of these steps work, it may indicate a hardware issue with either the Microsd card or the Switch's card reader.